Today we will be going over the REOLINK 4K with AI and vehicle detection. I recently installed these 8 cameras and I think it's really good deal for $760. It comes with 3 terabyte hard drive and everything you need. In the back you see audio outs, USB, HDMI, VGA, LAN to get this machine online, and a bunch of ports. As you can see, these support up to 16 cameras. Even though we're only doing 8 cameras today, you can still add 8 more cameras later on. When you open the NVR, you'll see that it has a 3 terabyte Seagate already installed, but we're going to add 6 terabyte more to make it 9 terabyte total. So I went ahead and installed the Western Digital 6 terabyte purple drive for surveillance. For whatever reason, the screws that were provided did not make a very close tight fit, so not an issue since I have a bunch of spare hard drive screws laying around. The box that the whole kit arrived in is huge. As you can see, this is the 6 terabyte hard drive for scale. The whole box itself must have weighed around 20-25 pounds easily. So upon emptying the box, you'll get the 8 cameras itself, of course, the NVR units, cables about 40 feet long, a mouse, wire, but I upgraded the clients to wireless, and a bunch of these weatherproof seal. On the software side, when you boot up the NVR, the configuration is exactly the same as from the previous REOLINK videos, so I'm not going to go over that. I have the link for you to watch it if you like. Going over the initial setup of the NVR, it will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Very easy. They couldn't make it any easier. Once you're done setting up the NVR, this is what you should look like physically. Right now I'm connecting to the NVR via the laptop. These are all of the cables, Cat5 cables that's going into the cameras itself. And I also have a splitter, HDMI splitter for the client because she wanted to have 2 monitoring units, 2 TVs to watch. One is in front of her store and the other is in the back of her store. So that's why we have the HDMI splitter. If all works correctly, then you'll see everything on your one TV and the other TV. I think overall this is a really good buy. You get 8 cameras with AI for person detection, vehicle detection. You get a 3 terabyte hard drive. Just upgrade it if you want more, and I highly recommend upgrading to a 6 terabyte for a total of 9. With 9 terabyte, you can easily record about 2 weeks. Alright, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.